and today we are going to commence with the explanation of the first lesson, that is Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes. Can you see the sign? This is known as apostrophe. So Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes. What is the work of this apostrophe? This apostrophe means ka. Reggie Mouse ka shrinking clothes. For example, if I say this is my mother's house, so mother's apostrophe s matlab mother ka ghar. Okay, so Reggie Mouse's shrinking clothes. Reggie Mouse ka shrinking clothes. And today we will be covering the explanation of the lesson. About Reggie Mouse, what did he like to eat? He loved eating cheese. So in this class we will be going through the lesson. So Reggie Mouse loved cheese. He ate it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast is the meal which we eat in the morning, lunch during the afternoon and dinner at night. So all the 3 times he loved eating cheese, and food was cheese. What happened? One day Reggie's mother, Rita Mouse, was worried. So Rita Mouse was Reggie's mother. So Reggie's mother told him, Reggie, it's fine to eat cheese, but you should eat other foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals and fish. You should also play outside more often. So what advice did Reggie's mother give to her son? Reggie's mother advised her son to start eating healthy food. Yes or no? Fruits, vegetables, cereals, fish, they are all healthy food. So Rita mom, she advised her son to start eating healthy food and play outside more often. What did the mouse reply? Reggie didn't listen to her. No way, mom, I love cheese. So Reggie Mouse loved eating cheese. So he said, no way, mom, I love cheese, I won't eat anything else. Means apart from cheese ke alawa, it won't eat anything else. So he said, I won't eat anything else. It's too hot to play outside. Instead, I will watch TV. So he didn't even want to eat anything else. He didn't even want to play. He will only watch TV and eat cheese. So what happened? A few months later, Reggie Mouse was getting dressed when all the buttons of his shirt went pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop means all the buttons broke. It fell on the ground. Reggie was very surprised. He said, oh no, my shirt has shrunk. Shrunk means chota ho jana. So Reggie thought that his shirt has shrunk. Now tell me, Reggie loved eating cheese. He didn't listen to her mother's advice because he loved cheese. And what did he say? He told that it was too hot to play outside and he would watch TV instead. Now, it started eating cheese day and night. Then what happened? One day when he was wearing his shirt, when he was getting dressed, all his buttons broke. And the Reggie Mouse said, oh no, my shirt has shrunk. And all the buttons of his shirt went pop, pop, pop. So why did the buttons of his shirt went pop, pop, pop? Reggie's shirt button went pop because he had become too fat and couldn't fit into his clothes. Since he was eating cheese, he became fat and clothes weren't fitting. और इसने क्या सोचा? He thought that no, my shirt has shrunk, shirt छोटा हो गया है, but in actual ये मोटा हो गया था. So he couldn't fit in the clothes. And he was thinking, shirt छोटा हो गया है. Then what happened? He tried with his trousers. And then his trousers went rip, rip, rip. Now these rip, 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 pop, 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 these are sound words. Okay, so when buttons break, pop, pop, pop sound is made. Okay, when trousers they are torn, what happens? Rip, rip, rip sounds are made. So when trousers tear, they make the sound rip. When buttons break off, they pop. So the words rip and pop, they are all sound words. So after trying with his shirt, all his buttons broke. He then tried to wear his trousers, and unfortunately his trousers also tear, and his trousers went rip rip rip. What did he say? Oh no, my trousers have shrunk too. मेरे trousers भी छोटे हो गए. But in actual he has become fat. इसलिए कुछ चीज़ fit नहीं हो रहा. He was very slim, but after eating cheese and not playing outside, he became very fat and he couldn't fit in with his clothes. He couldn't wear his shirt or trouser. Then what happened? Reggie Mouse ran to his cupboard and tried on all of his clothes. What will happen? Since he has become fat, उससे तो कोई कपड़े भी fit नहीं होगा. So he tried on all of his clothes. Pop, pop, pop went all the buttons of his shirt. Rip, rip, rip went all his trousers. This means he couldn't even wear a single cloth. All the buttons of his shirt broke and all his trousers went rip, rip, rip. So he said, oh no, all my clothes have shrunk. What's happening? सारे कपड़े छोटे हो गए. क्या हो रहा है? He couldn't understand anything. And all his clothes are there on the floor. So why were Reggie's clothes lying on the floor? Because he had tried them all as none of the clothes were fitting him. उसने सारे कपड़े ट्राई कर करके वो ज़मीन पे फेंक रहा है, कोई भी फिट नहीं हो रहा. So all of his clothes were lying on the floor. Then what happened? Rita Mouse heard her son crying. She came into his bedroom. Okay? Rita was Reggie's mother. So she came into the bedroom because she heard her son crying. Reggie, why are you crying and why are your clothes on the floor? So she asked him that why are you crying and why are your clothes on the floor? Reggie replied, oh mom, it's awful. All my clothes have shrunk. What did he reply? Oh mom, it's awful. Awful means very bad. बहुत बुरा हुआ है. मेरे सारे कपड़े छोटे हो गए. So when Reggie Mouse became fatter, his clothes became too tight. Okay? So इसने बोला कि बहुत बुरा हो गया है, सारे कपड़े छोटे हो गए. Then what happened? Reggie's mother told, I know what we can do to unshrink them, Reggie. You need to start eating healthy food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, fish and chicken. You also need to go out and play with your friends more often. So what advice did mother give? Mother told that you have to start eating healthy food. Okay? And you also have to go out and play more often. She told him to eat cereals. What are cereals? Cereals are grains that we eat. These are cereals like oats. So she told you have to eat cereals also. Okay? And you have to play football. You have to go outside and you have to play football. So this is the cure. If you will play football, if you will eat healthy food, then you can become thin. You can become slim and all your clothes will fit. So that afternoon, Reggie played football with his friends. He had soup, carrots, spinach and grapes for dinner. So what did Reggie do? After all his clothes shrunk, that afternoon he went outside, he played with his friends and he had soup. Soup is a nutritious diet. So he had soup, carrot, spinach and grapes. And very soon what happened? What will happen if you will go out, if you will play and you will start eating healthy food? Very soon Reggie's clothes unshrunk. So very soon he became back to normal. He became slim. Okay? So to unshrink his clothes, Reggie Mouse started eating fruits and vegetables. And he also started playing outdoor games. So if the question is, how did Reggie unshrink his clothes? What are you going to answer? Reggie unshrank his clothes because of losing weight. Reggie unshrank his clothes because of losing weight. Reggie के कपड़े वापस से कैसे फिट हो गए? छोटे हो गए थे, वापस से बड़े कैसे हो गए? क्योंकि Reggie पतला हो गया. तो वो कपड़े बड़े हो गए, उसे फिट होने लग गए. So Reggie unshrank his clothes because of losing weight by playing football and eating healthy food. So we have done with the explanation of this lesson, and while I was explaining the lesson, I have covered the exercise number A and exercise number B also. That is, take the correct answer and answer the following questions.